Hello, I'm Hamsini and you're watching Hamsini's Crochet World. In this video, you'll be learning about a double crochet. It's the basic stitch and I have already shown how to make a slip knot, chain and single crochet in my previous video. If you haven't checked out that video, I'll put the link in the description down below. Go ahead, check out that video and come back to this video. This will be like the part 2 video. Yeah. So these are some of the basic stitches of crocheting. Let's dive in.
Let's get started on making a double crochet. So first what we will be doing is making a slip knot. If you haven't watched my previous video, you should go back to my first video where I have shown how to make a slip knot and a chain and single crochet. So it will be easy for you to follow on the same. So first we will be making a slip knot. There we go. And then we will be making chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll be adding extra 2, 1, 2. So 12 chains. I'm using a bigger size hook, that is a 6 mm hook, so the chain will look a little loose, but that's okay. It will be easier for you to follow if I do it with a bigger size hook. So we will be starting our first double crochet from the third chain. So you should count from the hook 1, 2, 3. That's a third chain. We'll be doing a double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook in the third chain, and then yarn over, pull it through the first, hold it there, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, hold it, yarn over, pull through all the 2 loops. So that's our first double crochet. Yarn over, into the chain, yarn over, pull it through, hold, yarn over, pull it through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull it to the last 2 loops. So that's our second double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the chain, yarn over, pull it through, hold, yarn over, pull it through first 2 loops, yarn over, and the next 2 loops. So that's how our double crochet looks. It will look a little loose. Like I said, I'm using a 6 mm crochet hook. Yarn over, insert through the chain, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, and the rest 2. You might find it difficult in the beginning, but as you practice, it will be easy. Trust me, I was in the same place where you are right now. So yeah, you can make any of those projects with the stitch. I usually make a beanie with my go-to stitch for beanie is double crochet. It's quicker, it builds the length fast, so it's really nice looking stitch. Yeah, that's all for this video, guys. So if you have any kind of doubts, please do comment down below in the comment section, like if you have come so far. And for more such videos, if you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, and I will be uploading more such videos. The bell button, and yeah, See you in my next video. Bye.